Hey everyone, Miss Janine here. Let's take a look at how we're going to be answering a discussion post, or I should say, what your instructors are expecting to see. Let me move me down here out of your way. So I will also attach this to this announcement, just so you can print it. Not everybody's an auditory learner. So let's start off. Big one I see often is people don't read the entire question. So make sure you're reading the question. A lot of times these questions are not just one question. There may be 2 or 3 parts. So make sure you know what it's asking. Then use keywords from your textbook and the online lecture. Even if you're not asked about it, that's what we want to see. We, your instructors, we want to see that you read the material. So use those key terms. It's always good to use an example to show that you can tie the material in, a good synthesis of the material, but you don't have to. Write incomplete sentences, please. Opening sentence, transition sentence to go from one paragraph to another. Again, if your question is really 2, 3, 4 questions, each one of those parts or each question may be its own little paragraph. Don't get hung up on the word count minimum. The students that often are the overachievers that do very well exceed that. They don't stay focused on only giving 152 words. So use complete sentences. Start your sentences with an uppercase letter and end with the proper punctuation. Again, depending on the device you're using, sometimes I see things that I'm guessing you're maybe on your phone, but get in the habit of focusing on your academic writing because this will carry over into your report writing in the workplace. Know your professor, your instructor, and the style they're looking for. Some may be a little bit more lackadaisical than others. Stick to the point, and again, word count. Don't just keep repeating information to fill up the word count. Feel free to find an outside source to supplement. Use in-text citations if appropriate. Cite your references if appropriate. Again, if you're referencing the lecture, an article that was read, the textbook, use in-text citations. Cite them. Get in the habit, especially at the 300 level. This should be coming automatic because I'm preparing you for grad school. Not just graduation here, but grad school. I want you to go to grad school and ace your first paper. I recommend using the free version of Grammarly. It will catch errors that Microsoft doesn't catch. Now, when I use Microsoft, I use the editor first. Then I take that document and send it to Grammarly. They're both going to catch, Grammarly is going to catch more than Microsoft. But then I come back and I upload it again and use the read aloud feature and listen. And that's where you catch the little things that are like, oh, that was the wrong word. It was spelled correctly, so nobody caught it, but it's not the right thing. And again, answer all parts of the question. Write with confidence and clarity. Drop the I believe, I think, in my opinion. I don't care about those things. I want to know the facts. What are the facts about the topic you're talking about? Write with clarity. So I hope these tips again will help you in your academic journey.